Searching for the best motorcycle tail bag feels like falling into a loop. Every listing looks the same: black bag, straps, waterproof claim. But here's the thing, most look tough but fail where it counts. Today, we cut through the noise and show you 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, MOSISO L Tail Bag. First up is the MOSISO L Tail Bag, a compact, no-frills option at $47.50. What caught my eye was its simple design and PU leather build. If you want something lightweight for daily essentials without overcomplicating your setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 10-liter main compartment fits your phone, wallet, power bank, and even a water bottle. The waterproof PU leather actually works, no leaks after a heavy downpour. The 4-point buckle system with anti-slip base kept it locked in place during highway speeds. And the adjustable shoulder strap up to 50 inches means you can carry it like a messenger bag when off the bike. It's not huge, but for quick commutes or weekend rides, it does the job. Now, some people complained about the lack of internal organization, just one big pocket. Here's the thing though, if you're using small pouches or packing cubes, that's not a deal breaker. It's actually a plus if you like customizing your own layout. The bigger issue, no rain cover included, which feels odd for a bag marketed as waterproof. This is perfect for you if you ride a smaller bike and only need to carry daily carry-ons. Skip this one if you plan on long trips or need to store a helmet. At under $50, it's solid value for short-range use. Product number 2, KEMIMOTO Expandable 2234L. Now, if MOSISO's limited space felt too tight, this KEMIMOTO bag expands from 22L to 34L, huge for the price at $77.03. What stands out is the included rain cover and dual-use design. If you want flexibility for weekend trips or carrying a helmet, this one steps up. The expandable zipper lets you go from day ride to overnight trip in seconds. I tested it with a full-face helmet, jacket, gloves, and lunch, all fit comfortably. The 6 straps distribute weight evenly and the reflective strips add visibility at night. Plus, it converts into a backpack, so you're not stuck carrying a bulky bag through parking lots. Now, some people said the straps can loosen on bumpy roads. Here's the thing though, that's fixable with a little paracord or Velcro wraps. The real weak point, the main zipper feels a bit flimsy under heavy use. Don't yank it and it'll last. This is perfect for you if you ride ADV or sport bikes and need room to grow. Skip this one if you ride a dirt bike, it's not built for that. For under $80, it's one of the most versatile bags out there. Product number 3, MIHUNTER Helmet Bag plus Cargo Net. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be better for riders who prioritize safety and storage. The MIHUNTER bag at $48.78 comes with a free cargo net, something rare at this price. If you want a bag that doubles as a helmet carrier and nighttime visibility booster, this one's clever. Here's why this matters. The reflective straps glow bright under headlights, which is a lifesaver on unlit roads. The 1680D Oxford Plus EVA frame gives it structure without being rigid. It expands from 6.7 to 11.8 inches in height, so you can fit a full-face helmet easily. The 2-way zipper lets you open it from either side, super handy when your hands are gloved. And that free cargo net, it's actually useful for strapping down loose gear. Now some buyers complain the shoulder strap padding is thin. Here's the thing though, it's removable. Swap it for a padded one if you carry heavy loads. The bigger issue, the rain cover is sold separately, again, odd for a waterproof claim. This is perfect for you if you ride at night or carry a helmet regularly. Skip this one if you need massive storage, it tops out around 20L expanded. For under $50 with a free net, it's a steal. Product number 4, Rhinowalk 60L Touring Beast. Now, if the last few felt too small, this Rhinowalk bag is a different animal. At $141.23, it's the priciest here, but it expands to 60 liters, enough for multi-day trips. If you're planning cross-country rides or need serious cargo space, this is built for that. Here's why this matters. The reinforced steel wire and PE board keep the shape even when fully loaded. The anti-slip base gripped my sissy bar like a vice, even on gravel roads. The rain cover has a drawstring seal, wind can't blow it off. I packed 2 helmets, clothes, tools, and a laptop, all dry after a storm. The top elastic band holds a jacket or sleeping bag securely, and the included extension straps let you lash extra gear outside if needed. Now, some said it's overkill for city riding. Here's the thing though, that's true. This isn't for quick coffee runs, but if you tour, it's worth every penny. The only real flaw, it's heavy, over 5 pounds empty. This is perfect for you if you ride ADV or touring bikes and need max storage. Skip this one if you only ride weekends casually. For long-haul riders, it's a worthy investment. Product number 5, KMI-MOTO 12.5L Premium Compact. Finally, another KMI-MOTO, but this 12.5L model at $73.18 focuses on premium Chinese letter. If you want a sleek aerodynamic bag that doesn't scream budget, this one blends style and function. Here's why this matters. The PVC construction is fully waterproof, no cover needed. The two-way zipper glides smoothly and the quick-release buckle snaps on in seconds. Plus, it hugs your bike's lines, no flapping or drag. Now, some said the capacity is too small for trips. Here's the thing though, that's the point. It's for riders who want minimal bulk. The real issue, no internal pockets, just one open space. This is perfect for you if you ride sport or retro bikes and value clean looks. Skip this one if you need to carry bulky gear. At $73, it's pricey for 12L, but the build quality justifies it. So which one wins? For budget riders, MOSISO or MIHUNTER. For weekend trips, KMI-MOTO 34L for serious touring, Rhino Walk. And for style-focused riders, the compact KMI-MOTO 12.5L. No single bag fits all, but one of these definitely fits you. Drop your bike type and needs in the comments, I'll help you pick.